Hello everyone. How's it going? I'm so excited to see all of you joined us this afternoon. Afternoon in India. If in case you are joining in anywhere away from India, good morning, good evening, or almost the night for someone. So have a good night after the stream. But thank you so much everyone for joining in. If you can drop in your some of your favorite emojis in the chat, I would just want to see the excitement you all have for this particular live stream because I don't know about you, but I am pretty excited because this is going to be my very first live stream as an MLH coach. I've been on the MLH streams before, but after I became the MLH coach, this is going to be the first time I'm streaming, you know. So I'm super excited for this one. I hope you all are as well because we definitely are going to have a lot of fun in this particular live stream. And of course, I see people with a lot of excitement and saying hello in the chat. That's really good. Thank you so much, Maharshi Sinha, for joining on time. You were before the time, and that was like super great. I can already see your excitement. And thanks everyone for putting in all those highs and heys and hellos in the chat. That's super welcoming for rest of the people, of course. Let me quickly go through the chat, and meanwhile, you can let us know in the chat where you all are joining in from. I'm joining in from Vadodara, Gujarat, which is in India. So for me, it's 1:30 p.m. or 1:32 p.m. to be precise. But let us know in the chat from which part of the world you're joining in from, or if which city or state, or what time is it for you. And would love to know more about that. And meanwhile, I'm just giving a shout out to a couple of chats over here. Thank you so much, Soumyajit. Just greet everyone with good afternoon. Also, let's be mindful of the words we use, because guys is not like super inclusive. Let's try to use words like folks, everyone, all people. Let's try to be super inclusive for each and every one of us right here. But thank you so much, everyone. I see those emojis now. MLH emoji, the cat, the dope cat, I guess, I believe. I don't know Twitch emoji. You can find in the Twitch emoji thing, whatever that is called. But yeah, the hyped up one. Oh, what is this one? Oh, this is the Ginny Millet season sticker. Nice. Yes, happy Diwali, everyone. I have a special banner for you all joining in or celebrating Diwali. So happy Diwali to each and every one of you. This is a festival of lights which we celebrate here in India, and many people away from India as well joins us for this festival. So I'm having some good time with my family on the holidays, and of course streaming with you all folks right now here live, and a lot of sweets, a lot of sweets nowadays. But yeah, it's all fun. It's all fun. Cool. I'm just watching the chat, and let me see where you all are joining in from. And by the way, in case you haven't registered or checked in, I will quickly share the link with you all once again in the comments. So please head over to this link and register for the mini event before we actually start, which we are going to do shortly. But let me interact with you all folks before. Oh, you're joining in from Delhi. Hi, An Anshupa. Anshupa, I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. That's good. Pune, I'm looking forward to visit Pune super soon, by the way. Hi, Shalini. Thanks for joining in all the way from Hyderabad. See, this is the thing with live stream, right? You can join in from wherever, like whichever place you are at. 404 not found? No, my friend, you're not at all late. We have just started, and we are definitely going to have a lot of fun. So you are at the right time. Thank you so much for joining in. Please stay tuned. I'm going to quick start this particular mini event in a few moments, but I would love to first know more about each and every one of you who have joined us in this live stream. Haridwar, that's really good place. I really want to go to Haridwar one day. India, nice. Soumyajit, where from India? Which city are you joining in from? Namaste. That's how we greet in India. Also, which website are we making today? Good question, but I'm gonna jump on that pretty soon, so stay tuned, because maybe a secret that you all are going to decide which website are we making today. So keep your ideas ready. I'm from India, Kerala. Nice, Charlie. All the way from Kerala, which is like the southernmost state in the left side. New Delhi. Nice, Krish. Srinath India, happy Diwali. Joining in from Chhattisgarh, Calcutta, Mumbai. That's really good. People joining in from different parts of the country, as well as away from India as well. I see. Algeria. That's really great. Kolkata, Anshu and Padak are different. I think. Probably, probably. I don't know. Have we decided what are we making? Not at the moment, Isha, but we are going to we are soon going to decide what we are going to make. So stay tuned for that. What time zone? I guess it's IST for us, Indian Standard Time, and for me it's like 1:36 p.m. right now. MLH is going to send some crackers instead of swags. You never know. You never know. All right, many people from Kolkata I see. Oh, I'm from Asgard. Shh, not at all. Not at all. I'm not gonna share it with anyone else. Super secret, just between all the people who have joined us in the live stream. Only between us. Namaste, Andhra, Tamil Nadu. 9 a.m. in Morocco, that's quite early. I'm more of a night person, so 9 a.m. is like super, super. I'm probably dreaming at that time, so 9 a.m. is like super early for me. Hi, we have people from Pakistan as well. Welcome. Kazakhstan, Patna. That's awesome. Your Siddharth was there in HTS Virtual. Thank you so much for joining us over here as well. For all of those who do not know HTF, it's the Hackathon Iran, which is Hack This Fall. Whoops, where is it? Over here, maybe you can see. Yes, it's written. Just a plug. Cheers from Barcelona City. That's fantastic. I, I have been to Alicante recently. I so wanted to go to Barcelona, but unfortunately, I wasn't able to. But I'm looking forward to visit Barcelona super, super soon. And hopefully, I can meet you over there maybe one day. But once again, getting back to our topic, make sure you have registered and checked in on this particular page. I'm quickly gonna share my screen and let you know how you can do that in case you are a complete beginner. But we will do it right away. Kemcho from Surat. I'm really good. I'm really good. For all of those who do not know, Kemcho means how are you? It's in Gujarati language. Just trying to translate this for everyone who is not familiar with Gujarati language. Yes, I did. Yeah, a couple of folks from Delhi as well. I've recently been to Delhi. I'm soon going to be there in Delhi once again. We have an MLH member event, Hack CBS, over there. So I'll be coaching in that hackathon, which is going to happen in person. MLH community is so diverse and rich. Definitely, right? I love this about the MLH community. It's super diverse and rich in culture as well. Like people from around the globe joining us, bringing in their expertise and experiences from different backgrounds. That's like super, super great. For sure, for sure. Love to meet there. Please join me at the MLH booth over there and come and say hi. And just as a reminder, you can say that we met at an MLH live stream. Cool. Thank you so much, everyone, for letting me know more about you and letting others know more about you, where you're joining in from, and all the other stuff which you have been talking. I'm super grateful that you all are super, super welcoming with each other. And coming back to this live stream, as you all know, we are going to go with the No Light mini event, which is again a super fun and very, very light stream, just like the name goes, no light, but it's very light. So you do not need to worry about anything. In case you haven't registered and checked in yet, please head over to this link. And I've also changed the banner. So in case you haven't registered actually for Global Hack Week, it's still on. You can register for Global Hack Week. You can take part in all the challenges and fun mini events which are happening over the week and get some points for yourself or just earn some swags and learn a lot with the community while you're collaborating. And to start with, let me quickly share my screen. If you all can go to this link, which I've already shared in the chat, but just for your knowledge, for all of those who have joined recently, I'm going to share it once again. So go ahead and go ahead and click on that link. You can just click on this register and check in button. Once you have done that, you will see something like this, that you have successfully checked in for this event, and you will see like this. And once you see this, you're all set to go, and that's super easy, just to one click, right? So quickly do that and let me know in the chat that you have done. Maybe you can say Global Hack Week with an emoji, so that I can understand that you have checked in for this particular mini event, and then we can move ahead. So quickly do that, check in for the event. Let me know in the chat by writing Global Hack Week, and I'll understand that you have checked in for the event. Meanwhile, for all of those who are joining Global Hack Week for the very first time, this is the website you need to go to, ghw.mls.io/October. Just register for Global Hack Week, and there's like a lot of things which are happening over this week. You can check out the schedule on this page. For now, we are in this particular mini event, which is MLH No Light mini event, and you have not missed a lot, to be honest. Only this much, which you can also access via recordings on a YouTube. But there's a lot coming up ahead, so this is just the beginning. So make sure to register and join us for Global Hack Week. If in case you want to check out the challenges, it's also here. So couple of cool challenges and a lot of daily challenges as well, which you can go through every day, earn some cool points, of course build projects and learn some super amazing things, right? So I'm sure you do not want to miss that. Do you? Do you want to miss that? No, I don't think so. So go, head over to Global Hack Week website, ghw.mls.io, and register yourself for the same. And I see people are writing GHW in the chat, which means that you all have checked in for the event. But before we actually move forward, let me know if anyone has missed registering and checking in. If yes, we can definitely wait for you because we want you all to join in for this one. Done. I see people are writing GSW. That's really good. So first step done. Register for GSW. Register for this particular mini event and check in, which I see most of you all have done. Feel free to invite your guild members for this particular live stream. Would love to have as many as people as we can, so that we can have a lot of fun together with every other person from the community. And for all of those who are wondering what a guild is a group of community members who all are coming together and taking part in global hack weeks. They are like, smaller communities within the MLH hacker community, and they all just collaborate in some meaningful ways to complete the challenges, build awesome projects, and submit it and earn some cool swags, and also earn some points for their guild so that they can top the leaderboard, which is like not the concept as of now, but you can always have that kind of a motivation, right, to hype up your own guild and submit projects for your own guild and collaborate with people within your community. Who's from the Eddie Hub Guild? Guess what? I started my local hack day journey with Eddie Hub Guild when we shifted virtual. So I have been part of Eddie Hub Guild since quite a long time now. Perfect. So I see most of you all have already checked in. That's fantastic. Thank you so much, everyone. Also, while we are streaming this particular event, feel free to take screenshots at any moment and tweet about it. You can use the hashtag Global Hack Week. You can tag ML Hacks. You can use the hashtag Hack with Sid, which is like more of a personal hashtag, which I'm using here because I'm going to have this hashtag super common in all my streams, which I'm going to do with MLH. So this will keep all the tweets and all the participation in the live streams which you have done with me on a single hashtag. So you can use hashtag hack with Sid and you can tag me on Twitter. So we can just create some hype as well over there and let people know what they have missed. But guild members assemble. Yes, that's correct. All hail Blahaj. Love to Blahaj guild members as well. Eddie Hub dominates MLHS. I would not say we all are. I know how Eddie Hub is. Eddie Hub is like super welcoming to every other guild as well, and we all are here to learn together. So Eddie Hub loves and respects every other guild out there. Can you write the hashtags here? Why not? Why not? I can definitely write that. In case someone else wants to write that, they can as well. It's super simple. It is Global Hack Week. You can tag ML Hacks. You can use hashtag HackWithSet, and you can tag me on Twitter, which is @Chilla_hacks. But I hope I have written all the spelling correctly. No, I added one more extra letter. Double hack week, and hacks, HackWithSet, facts. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Python Pro member is here as well. Let's see if that is something which you can use today in this mini event. Global Hack Week, ML Hacks, Hack website, Siddharth Hacks. Perfect. So, should we begin already? Cool. So, for all of those who do not know what No Light is, let me tell something about that. How many of you all are joining No Light event for the very first time? I see Reperez. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing your name correctly, but I see your question, right? What is this mini event about? How many of you all are joining this mini event, that No Light mini event for the very first time? First time, M. Taylor. That's good. Krishna says beginner. First time. First time. We are making a web page. Let's see. Let's see. First time. That's really good. Oh, most of you all are first timers. That's fantastic. If I say that, I'll be lying. Whoops. How many challenges do we have to complete to get goodies other than stickers from Groundline? I'll get to your question super soon once I complete the introduction of No Line event. But I'm definitely going to see your question once again. Call underscore meet underscore Kiki. Okay. Good username. Perfect. So as I can already see, most of the audience members are beginners. Let me quickly tell you about what No Light Mini Event is. If we go with the description, it says that you'll attempt to recreate a website with minimal developer tools, no web dev experience needed. Just you can pull up the HTML cheat sheet, which might be helpful. So this is the page which we are going to use. We are going to decide a random web page or a website which we are going to code in this particular page without actually looking at the output of it or the result of it, or without compiling the code. How cool is that? So it's like we are not seeing how our code looks, we are just writing our code, and we do not have any suggestions over here, no syntax correction over here, no uh, alignment, nothing. There's like all blank page. It's like coding in the dark. We do not have any help, we do not have any VS code which are using. So it's all like we are just writing in this particular page and thinking if this is how it should look like. So that's the simple rule. You only have to be on this page. You cannot change the page and see your code in VS Code. You can't run it, you can't compile it. You have to submit it as it is. And that is as simple as that. So we'll be starting with a very basic one. Do you have any website suggestion we should create in the chat? It is only showing Twitch page. What is showing Twitch page, Isha? Like what link is showing the Twitch page? Yes, I guess Michael has already shared the link. You all can head over to that, register and check in. Guess it would be fine. Okay. With search maps, books, and all. hmm After registering, yes. So once you register, like for the mini event, you can head over to the MLH stream where you are right now, of course. We have this particular page. We have this particular page, the MLH page. Big the Twitter front end page. Interesting. Interesting. Could you share in YouTube, please? Yep. Just a minute. I'll share the link. You can just check in and register and check in on this particular link, Isha, and then you can join us in this Twitch stream. That's all you need to do. Yeah, do not cheat. Do not cheat using inspect or source code. Do not do that. I would say that's not going to be fun. It's definitely going to be fun if we use this particular page only without actually seeing how that looks. Cool. So what we can do is to start with very basic, because most of us over here are beginners. Let's start with google.com. What say? We can start with this, right? So we need to code this particular page without actually looking at the source code. Please do not look at the source code of this particular page. You have to do it by your own self. In case you are completely beginner, you can use definitely the HTML and CSS cheat sheet. on a side tab, but do not copy at all the source code of this particular page. And you have to code it over here, just like within this particular thing, and you can type in whatever you want in this particular one. Okay. All right. So for me, like this can be like super basic, right? And for most of you, this can be like super easy. But that's all about it, right? It's the fun. How well you code, or how well you try to, bring up the same website using your code here without actually seeing the result. And once you type in your code, you can click on this no light button over here. And once you click on that, you'll get a prompt that, are you sure you want to submit your code? And you can just click on OK. And once you click on OK, this is how it will look like. So go ahead and do it quickly. And wait, we are not starting yet. In case you have started, please stop. I'm going to share the link, of course, in the room, in the chat, whatever you call it as. I call it room and chat both. And you'll get 10 minutes of your time. So that is like the time you need to have to build this website. I have shared the link in the chat. You can head over to nolight.mls.io/gsw slash dash OCT dash SID dash 1. Yes, I have shared the link, Guy the Coder. You can head over to that, and I will turn on the 10 minutes timer. Oops. Let me know if you all are on the light page. Ooh. Let me know once you all are here on this particular no light page. You can just drop in that you can write no light in the chat, and I'll get to know that you are on the page. Just type in no light. You can write anything. Is text page light page not open? No, I guess it should open. If you can go to this link which I've just showed on the screen, which is right below, head over to nolight.mls.io. A couple of folks joining. Just type in no light quickly, and then we can get started. Mhm. If this page is not opening for you, if you can go to this link quickly. And let me know once we are ready. Let's start the timer in that case. I'm starting the 10 minutes countdown, and the time starts now. What you need to do is just recreate this google.com website without actually looking at the code, the actual source code. You just need to type in your kind of code on this particular no light. This is something which I have written. You can write whatever you want and try to recreate this website onto this no light page. Do not try to run your code. Do not try to use the same code in VS Code and see how it looks. Do not compile it. We are recreating google.com website. So try coding that using pure HTML. If even if you are using CSS, you do not need to create a separate file. You can use inline. So everything you do should be part of this particular one page code here, like one page here only. So no need to add anything extra. And once you are done with the code, you can just click on no light over here, and it will be submitted. You need to confirm it. Yes, we are doing the Google website, which is google.com. So for all of those who are asking, which website are we creating? We are creating the google.com. Perfect. Yes, in 10 minutes. That's correct. The timer has already been started. You have like around 8.5 minutes. This is a website we are recreating using no light editor. I've already shared the link in the chat for all of those who have joined for like right now. Here's the link once again. Feel free to head over to this link, start writing the code, and try recreating google.com Do not see the actual source code. That will definitely eliminate all the fun. Let's see how close you can go to without actually seeing your result. Can we use Tailwind CSS? Preferably, it's like using pure HTML and CSS. Do not go into that much complexity because this event is just for fun. And let's see how how well you can recreate this website using the basic language. That's it, right? That's all about this event, and that's the fun actually. I remember when I was learning HTML and CSS, it was like, I don't know, I was in 10th standard in my high school, and I cannot even recall all the commands right now. But if I need to recreate this website, it's definitely going to be fun. I hope you all have started making it. We are recreating google.com. For all of those folks who have joined in right now, please head over to this link and register and check in for the event. Register. I'll just quickly drop this link in the chat as well. You can go here, register and check in. Once you have done that, you can join this link, which is nolight.mls.io. We are doing this no light event where we are recreating google.com website, this website, and we are trying to write our code, our version of the code, and without actually looking at the source code of google.com. And once we do that, we just need to click on no light, submit the code, and then we will showcase it in this live stream. So let's see who builds what. We have 6.5 minutes. Good going, everyone. I hope you all are with me. If yes, you can just drop in the emojis. How do we get image into the console? You can use the image tag, but you do not necessarily need to get all the images. Even if you get the structure right, even if you get some content right, that's fine as well. So not necessarily you need to use or get the images, but you can always use the image tag. And in case you are a complete beginner and you do not know about the commands of HTML and CSS, you can always open a cheat sheet on the side. That's fine. It's just that you can't copy the entire source code directly, because we'll get to know once we are having the pages, right? Yeah, you can use your URL or local images. That's also an option. Perfect. And don't forget to tweet about this particular live stream. You can use hashtag global hack week, you can tag mlhex, you can use hashtag hack with sid, and you can tag me so that I can know when and where you are tweeting about it. I'll drop this link once again. Yes, missed. We have 5 minutes left. This is definitely fun. I'm waiting to see what kind of you know uh, websites you all are going to build without actually looking at your code. We've already received a couple of entries, I see. Already, that's good. People have already started submitting, but that's fine. You still have got 3 minutes and 30 seconds. So take your time. The 3 minutes are a lot, especially when we need to write basic MLH Not MLH, HTML code. Oh, MLH everywhere. My favorite event. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Harshraj. Harsh, Harshraj. Sorry, I'm sorry. I hope I'm pronouncing your name correctly. Hashraj. But yes, for all those who do not know, this is my first live stream as an MLH coach. I was excited as well. I am excited as well. And I can't see how this event goes and ends. 2 minutes, 50 seconds remaining, everyone. Couple of new folks who have joined us. Let us know in the chat where you all are joining in from. Challenge for you. Like, what challenge? Is it like your pronouncing your name is a challenge, or running this mini event is a challenge? I'm from Vadodara. I'm joining in from Vadodara. In the start, yes, but now I think I've got it correct, which is hashrug. Please correct. 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes remaining. For all of those who are still confused, we are recreating google.com website using our no light page. So you can head over to this. How can I click submit? So in case you have already done, just click on this no light button on the very top left. Top left, yes, you see no light written over here. Just click on it. Once you click, you'll get a reconfirmation message, and just click OK on it that you're okay with submitting your code, and that's it. That's all you need to do. So you can just click on no light, which is on the very top left of the page, and once you have done that, you are all good to go. Let me know if any one of you is facing troubles while submitting this code. It's super easy. You can just click on the no light on the top left, and that's it. Just confirm that you want to submit it, and you have submitted it once you have done that. And once you have done that, you can just let me know in the chat that maybe some exciting words or adjectives, or maybe your favorite animal. Once you have submitted, just type in your favorite animal in the chat. I'm not going to consider done. I'm not going to consider submitted. Type in a favorite animal of yours in the chat, and that's how I'll understand that you've submitted. 30 seconds remains, everyone. If you have already submitted, let me know by typing in your favorite animal in the chat. Yes, 15 seconds. Where is submit button? So Shalini, what you can do is you can click on this no light button over here on the top, and that's how you submit it. You can just click on the no light button on the top left. 1 second, and it's time. It's time, everyone. Time up. Time up. And quickly submit your codes. You can click on this no light button, this button on the very top left. Just click on this button and you'll get a confirmation message that, hey, do you want to really submit this code? Click OK on it. And that's how you do it. You need to enter HTML to be able to submit. This says me that. Okay, I'll write it. HTML. HTML, that's what you asked for. Okay, I'll write it. I have written my code. I'll click on this no light button, and the no light page will ask me, are you sure you want to submit your code? You will not be able to come back to it. I'll say okay, and that's it. And once you do that, you will see this kind of a page, which means that you have successfully submitted. It took me 46 minutes. Wow. Wow. I mean, really? So I see couple of animals over here. That's good. Time's up. Yes, time's up. Fish, dog, cat, elephant, lion. Nice, nice, nice. Perfect. Let me know if you all have done. Quickly let me know a favorite animal of yours in the chat, and then we'll consider that as done. And meanwhile, I'll just download Oops. I'm just now trying to download all the. Mission of yours. Give me a moment. This moment, I'm trying to just open up everything on different tabs. It is taking some time, but I hope you all understand. And this is my first time doing this, so please sorry. I'm a total noob, and I'm trying my best. So thank you. All right. I hope I have things in place, and I'm not going to mess up. Right. All right. I guess I have things right now in my place. Mm-mm-mm. Oops. Wheels are social. Yes, they are. Let me stop sharing my screen. Oh, I see a tweet. That's nice. Are you gonna stream a submission? Yes, I am. Let's see how that goes. I've gotten very less submission. I don't know if there were less submissions or I am not able to get it all through. All right. Cool. Let me share my screen once again. A window and here we go. Perfect. Perfect. Cool. So that's like the page. Google search. I'm feeling lucky. Google offered in languages. We have got the text. We've got the Google search. Instead of a bar, we have gotten this one text. That's fine. I'm feeling lucky. I'm feeling too because I'm able to see all of these no light codes over here. So I'm quite lucky to see all of these things. Thank you so much, Ashutosh, for submitting this. Click here to see my code. Should I? Should I click? No, you're taking me to this particular link. I'm not gonna do that for sure. But let me see. Let me see. Nice. It's good. It's good. It's still good. But this was a smart move. Uh, Very smart move because this will definitely take me to google.com. So smart one. Oops, this is the blank page. I'm not sure if I'm missing here something. Oh, HTML head body. You could have added like a bit of content here. Maybe something, but that's fine as well. You have tried, and that's like full marks for that. Thank you so much for submitting this. This is just Google. Just Google. Just Google. 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 Again a Google. Yeah, interesting. Again a blank space. Oops. Whoa, whoa. Where did you get this from? But hmm, this is all like iframe script link. Maybe added. You could have added like a paragraph or maybe a heading or something like that. So this would have like shown as well on the screen. But this is still fine. Thank you so much for submitting this code. And I guess I've gotten like pretty less number of submission. I'm not sure if there's like something from my end, but I could only see couple of ones here in the submission. I hope you clicked on the submission button. Let me see the chat once. Which code are we entering? Hmm. No worries. It was the code that you might have written on the No Light platform, which is here. But for all of those who have missed or who haven't been able to do that, we are going to do the round two quickly right now. So don't you worry about anything. I submitted two times. I couldn't see it yet, but what we can do is here quickly. Or if you all want, just a minute. Nope. I am trying to see, but I can only see a couple of submissions. No problem. No problem. What we'll do is we are going to do the round two as well. So maybe we can gather it over there. But I cannot find any more because I've tried already downloading all the submission. Maybe it might be a glitch of this platform. I'm so sorry, I couldn't see yours. I'm still checking from my end. Not yet, not yet, not yet. That's weird. That's really weird. No problem. Let's try doing this. Anyways, the google.com one was really very basic for everyone to just get a hands on how it actually works and how you can do it. But the round two, which is going to be more fun because we're going to have a different link as well as a different website to code in. So, in case your submission wasn't being through, I guess this will be the right time to get it done again. And google.com was just for practice for all of those who are doing it for the very first time because most of the people in the chat were beginners. So let's take that as a practice one. And now you know how it works, how to code, how to use no light, how to submit it. I'm still checking on all the submissions which you have given, but I cannot see it from my end. I'm so sorry for that, but I'll quickly check with that. Meanwhile, we can start with this particular thing, which is the round two of it. So allow me some time to quickly bring up this particular link for you. Just a minute. Perfect. And what should be the other website we should code now? I need a different website. So let me know what website do you want us to code right now? Like for round two, of course. Let's try to bring up some innovative ones. What could be the website we should code right now? Any help in the chat? Up, I see. Mm-hmm. GitHub. You all are very fond of GitHub, I see. GitHub.com. Let's see how it goes. Mm-hmm. All right. Should we go ahead and do this? What you can do is, whoops, it's the same page. I'm sorry. Mm, do, 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 do. Gmail, Flipkart, MLH homepage. Yes, we can do MLH homepage. That's a good one. We can do MLH.io. This is more colorful with a lot of images, content, logos, text. So we can do this one. MLS.io. That's very simple as well to remember. So let us begin with the round two. of this, and I'm sure that we will have the submissions this time. I'm still wondering why the submission didn't came up, and very few submissions came up from the round one. But anyways, the good part was that we were just practicing, and because there were a lot of beginners, but hopefully we can gather the submission this time. So what you need to do is just head over to this link, which is nolight.mls.io, this one, and instead of one, you can just replace that one with two. I'm going to share this link once again. I've already shared it though. You can find it here on YouTube, over here in Twitch. And let me know once you are there on the page. Do not start yet. I'll start the timer and then you can start. Let me know by typing in GHW that you are on the No Light page and you are all set to go. In case you have any question, let me know quickly. In case you are all set, you are ready. We are recreating the mlist.io website. This is the link where you need to head to, which is nolight.mlist.io GHW OCT SID2 dash in between all of these. Just quickly let me know if you are ready to go, if you're on the page, if you know what needs to be done. Type in GHW in the chat and then we will begin. In case you have any questions, let me know that as well. Body is ready. Nice. On page GHW, that's good. Anyone else who have any question or who is still wondering what we are doing here, you can let us know that as well. And in case you're all set, just type in GHW. I am ready, so I'll just type in mine as well. Here we go. Cool. In that case, yeah, more people writing in now. That's good. That's good. If you all are ready, just type in GHW in the chat and then we can start. And then I'll start the countdown for you. Cool. Perfect. I see most of you all are ready. Then let us begin then. And the timer starts. 10 minutes starts now. Just go to the nolight.mls.io link, which is mentioned over here as well. I'm gonna share in the chat too. So please head over to this link, and we are trying to recreate mls.io website. Do not try to see the source code. Do not see, do not inspect this site. Just write what you can in this code and submit. Make sure to click on the no light button so that we can gather your submissions. And meanwhile, I'll check what happened to the previous submissions. Yes, Maharshi, you can start. The time has already started. We are recreating mls.io website, by the way. Hope you all are on track. We are doing the No Light mini event where we are just trying to recreate the mls.io website using our No Light page. We're trying to recreate this website using HTML, pure HTML, typing in our code without actually seeing how that looks like. And then we'll just click on this No Light button and submit it. In case you have any question, feel free to drop those questions in the chat. Oh, Krish has already done with it. Nice. That's really good to know, Krish. 7 minutes remaining, by the way. Meanwhile, I'll just quickly check the Twitter. I see. I see the tweets. Whoops, I was on mute. But Rushikesh, in case you're wondering, what we are doing, we are running this no light mini event where we are trying to recreate the MLS.io website using this one. So you can head over to this link, which is nolight.mls.io slash ghw hyphen oct hyphen z hyphen 2. And then without actually looking at how your code looks like, you just need to code this website. If you think you can code it right, that's awesome. Even if you can't, that's fine. It is all fun. We are just seeing how well one can do it without actually looking at the source code and the final output of that code. I hope that answers your question. It'll be astonished to see what I built. Let's see. I'm waiting for everyone to complete and then we can see all the submissions. I hope this time we get the submissions or else you all are going to kill me. And I'm very afraid now. Oh nice. The timer. I hope you all have checked in for the event. In case you haven't registered, you can still register and check in. 4 minutes remaining, everyone. This is the website which we're trying to recreate. Click here to see my code. That was my submission, by the way. Submitted. Nice. I wanted to make an infinite new tab opener, but I felt that it would ban me, so I did. First of all, I wouldn't have opened that because I've seen a couple of such websites in the past, so now I am aware of it. Dead Beam 18 says that he has submitted. He, she, whoever you are, I'm sorry. But we still got 2.5 minutes. That's good. Sent. Interest. Nice. How many of you all have already submitted it? Submitted. Swamijit says submitted. Nice. 2 minutes remaining, everyone. Hmm. I hope we can gather your submission this time. If not, I'm gonna die because I can't experience that feeling as of now because I'm so sad that we couldn't have your submission from the round one. Sure how it works. I hope you all are not downloading the submissions from your end. In case you are, please don't do that because of course once if you are downloading submissions from your end, I might not be able to download it. It happens in that scenario. So I've just checked with the team. In case I'm not able to download the submission, in that case someone else have downloaded it. And once anyone downloads it, we're not able to see it. Harshak, Harshak says, "Oh, we can." It's good that you do not know because you should know that. But in case someone has done that, not at all good thing. And in case you have done this, or in case you have just gotten the submissions on your end, you can secretly DM me, being an anonymous, and send me the submissions. I'll, I'll not at all, Uh, I'm not gonna scold you for sure. Chris, you do not need to know that, so that's fine if you do not know. Done. Tried whatever I can. Perfect. 30 seconds remains, everyone. Make sure you are submitting your codes this time. You can just click on the no light button on the very top left. That's all you need to do. And let's look up. Acha, let's see. The no light. Click on this no light button, and once you do that, you'll get a prompt that are you really sure that you want to submit your code? And just click on OK because that's okay. And 1 seconds. Time up, everyone. Time up. That's it. Time up. Just get your hands off your keyboard, get your hand on your mouse, submit your code quickly. Just click on this no light button on the very top. This one, no light button. Click on this, you'll get a prompt. Just click on OK, and that's it. And once you have done that, you'll see something like this, that submission received, your name, and whatever time it took you to do that, how many lines of code, and how many bytes of code you have written. Kept a copy of my code. If you miss it now, I will send you a copy paste. Thank you so much, this platinum. That's like super kind and thoughtful of you. I hope I get the submission this time. I'll quickly stop sharing my screen. Oh, I love it. I love how you remember the way we were actually getting to know that you have submitted the page. So instead of writing submitted, maybe what should I say? Maybe drop down your favorite fruit, not animal this time. We have already used the animal, so you can drop in the chat your favorite fruit, and that's how we know that you have submitted. Don't tell me pandas and cheetahs are your favorite fruit. I'm sure it is not. Yes, I see peach. That's good. It's really good. If you have already submitted your code, you can let us know in the chat by telling your favorite fruit. Yeah, that's how we do it. We are not just straight away going to say submit and done. No, and we are going to keep things super creative. No spamming. Nice mango, apple, strawberry. Nice. I love mango too. I'm just waiting for summers to come back. Blue mango. What is that? Kiwi wiki. That's a wordplay over there. Hacker fruit. Nice. Oh, I'm just gonna. I hope you all have submitted. Let me know quickly if you have submitted your codes, because once I am downloading it, I don't know if I can gather more submissions after that. So if I need to wait, which I should not because time is up already. So I hope everyone has submitted successfully their code. Anyone who is still stuck and haven't submitted, because I'm going to fetch all the submission. Pom Follow says wasn't able to submit but asked afterward. So are you facing trouble, Follow, or you didn't participated only? Because if you are facing troubles, I can wait for you. Do you mean Apple iPhone Silicon Valley? No, no, no. We're not getting there. We are just talking about fruits, not devices. So, no, no. Mixed fruit. Are we talking about jam or juices? No, I said fruits, just fruits. Cyber Gyan. I love the username. Anyone who's still left with their submissions? If not, maybe I can fetch your submissions and then hopefully we can see submissions by each and every one of you. Just came low and 5 seconds were left. No problem, Polak. We can have you in our upcoming streams, but you can stay here to watch what submissions have we received. Black apple. You're getting colors in apples as well? We are talking about juices too? No, just fruits. Cool. Then in case everyone have submitted, I'm gonna quickly go and fetch the submission I asked for the last time. If you haven't submitted, please head over and submit because I'm going to download the submissions in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And I hope I get all the submissions this time. Yeah, I get it. Yes, I can see a lot of submissions this time. Woohoo! I'm super happy. Friends, I'm happy. I am happy. I am happy. Literally. Are you all happy that I've gotten all the submissions this time? Because you'll get to see your submissions. Whew, big relief. You all heard me. You all didn't copied and downloaded the code from your end. Thank you so much. Perfecto. Oh, thank you so much for being happy with me. Your happiness lies in my happiness, and vice versa. So much love in this live stream. Isha seems to be very happy because you are only 5 letters, you are more than 5 letters. That makes me realize that you are more than happy. You want to see the pages? Yes, I am also looking forward to it. Let me quickly open that on the new tab. Ooh, I can see all the pages already. Perfecto. You seem to be a fan of 90s Bollywood. Yes, I'm a very old Bollywood kind of a person. So you'll find me, if I'm not working, you'll find me, just singing old songs, doing some good talks, and a lot of stuff. So, yes, I am fan of 90s Bollywood for sure. Who isn't? Yes, come on, who isn't? So, it's like the best thing out there. Perfect. Are you all ready? Favorite song? A lot of favorite songs. A lot of favorite songs. So, you can pick any of them, even early 2000s. Well, well, well. I'm gonna move this. Oh, you got 2008 one. That's nice. Quick drum rolls, everyone in the chat, so that we begin checking your submissions. Quick drum rolls in the chat. Let's see if you all are all set to check out the submissions. I'm gonna put my drum rolls, by the way, just to get it started. You all can put it some drum rolls in the chat, and then we can get started watching your submissions. Perfect, perfect. Keep it coming, keep it coming. Cool. So here we go with the first submission. Oh, pretty interesting. You've got the logo, you've got all the menu options, got the button, you've got the Learn, Build, Share tagline. That's really good. Attend a hackathon with the official student hackathon lead. Fantastic. This is what we were building, and you've got it super close, super close. That's good. That's good. And one more thing, in case you find your code on the live stream, you see that this is something you have built, let me know in the chat. You can just say that, hey, this is something I built, this is my code. You can proudly say that because we are going to showcase each and every one of yours live in the live stream. Krish, I guess that's enough with the drum rolls. That's enough of the drum rolls. But thank you so much for bringing in that energy. And that we have another one which says the learn, build, share, which is the tagline, which is lovely. And with a cool button over here, attend a hackathon. Fantastic, I really love this one. The way you have added the tagline over here. So thank you so much for submitting this. MLH logo, really good. I've got all the menu over here. Again, the tagline and then the statement that with the official student hackathon will attend the hackathon. Nice one. Really good. Thank you so much, Anshu, for submitting this. Again, this is a bit different, more of like text heavy, but you have written MLH, majorly hacking, all the menu. The tagline is common. Tagline is like it's all common. Thank you so much for submitting this, Ashutosh. Oh, a lot of links. I see the copyright as well. But I see the buttons, all the links, of course. Yes, all the links. Become a mentor, coach. Yeah, pretty much all the stuff. Thank you so much, Ayush. Learn, comma, build, comma, share. Again, a tagline. You were yours? Did you find Google? No? It's mine. Oh, fantastic. I'm late. That's really good. Attend hackathons. I see how you have like tried to align and restructure the page. That's really good. Again, a tagline with the statement and the button. Of course. That's good. That's good. I'm just gonna see how I've done that. Oh, nice. I've added the nav and the unlisted thing and the list. You've done a pretty good job, I would say. Thanks a lot for submitting this. And then we have another one from Dimple. Learn, build, share with the official student hackathon link. Oh, fantastic. Pretty basic, and that's good. The best one I made was Google. We can have you once again making that super soon. Oh, that button got stressed a bit. Let's see. Pretty much we have used nav, we have used div. You have got good basic knowledge of HTML. That's really nice to know. Thank you so much for submitting this one. Oh, some colors I see. I love the colors. By the way, you have tried adding the colors. I'm curious how have you added the colors? Let me check. Okay, you have used the class PTN yellow. Nice. You all are like super crazy. Like you know the basics. You know how it is done. You have used like the image tag. Fantastic. You all know. You'll know what needs to be done. You know the drill. Oh, that's you. That's you, Platinum. Nice. Let me code pen. No. The best one I made was Google. Thank God I had downloaded. Please show me that quickly. Perfect. Thank you so much for submitting this. This is something I loved it because it's like colorful. Whoops. Refuse to connect. Why MLS.io? Why would you refuse to connect? But I like how you say enjoy. MS.io was very hard to make, so I made this. Okay. 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 You've used script in this? Done a lot of efforts. But thank you so much. Thank you so much, Krish, for submitting this one. Again, a basic one, MLH Major League Hacking, the tagline, the learn will share, the statement. Perfect, perfect. Thank you so much. You all have gotten creative mind, submitting different kinds of pages, which I am definitely loving. Hacker resources, careers and internship, coding challenges, freebies and bugs. By the way, you all can check it out anyways. You can find it all over here. It's all here. So go ahead and just check it out after this live stream. And find new MLS member event near you or happening online. Oh, that's yours. Thank you so much for submitting this. Nice. Whoa, that's a good little cute cat. What's if this is your cat? Please let me know the name of this cat. in the chat? Name of the cat in the chat. That rhymes, by the way. And is this your cat? You have taken it from Google, I see. Oops. Is this your cat? Please tell me it's your cat. Because I love cats. Once upon a time, I had six cats with me. Bimley. Is this the name? So I used to have six cats with me in my room altogether. And then because first I had like two cats, they used to live in my room. But then because we had six, we gave them a separate room all by themselves where they lived all by themselves. We were just going to attend them and give them some food and just play with them, and they were like all good and chill and fun. Once upon a time, yes, once upon a time. Mine is white in color. Okay. Oh, you got it from Google. Nice. But this is cute. I had Persian cats, one from the Stuart Little, one from the Harry Potter, and now she's having Mona. Mona was always with me. I'm not sure where she is right now because she's just wandering in the lands of Global Hack Week. My mom asked whether your cat stays in the house or where I asked for a pet cat. I know, Rapper Raj, where you're coming from. I also see a lot of memes around those cats, but it's fun. But anyways, a lot of time on this cat. I'm obsessed with that, so I'm just gonna avoid this for now because I do not want to waste your time. But thank you so much for submitting this cute little piece of code. And over here we have a couple of buttons: hacker resources, event resource, about us, and employees. Nice. Oops. Nice, 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 nice. Thank you so much for submitting this. Another one, but with a little more content in it. Thank you so much. Perfect. Ooh, a paragraph for the first time and a marquee. I hope that's the same thing I'm thinking. Paragraph. Yes, it's marquee. Yes, yes, I was right. But a lot of content in the marquee. But still, this is good. You have done like extra efforts to make it more interactive, engaging. You all definitely nail this mini event. You all are the stars of this mini event. Thank you so much for submitting this. Whoa! Is anyone here from the MLH prep or the fellowship batch? Because I see a lot of familiar faces here. If you are in the chat, give a quick high five. Huge shout out to the MLH fellowship team, by the way. On that note, in case you are looking to apply, go ahead. It's a great opportunity for anyone who want to get started with this. Oops, 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 oops. Google page who submitted this? Shishak Roy. By the way, we were just creating the MLS.io website, but because we couldn't have more submissions last time, I'm happy to see this because it's like a good page where we added Google in the extra large size and the rest of the things in extra small. But that makes sense because it's a no light event. It's made to be here for fun. Thank you so much for submitting this one. MLH with a cool sign color in the background. Nice. Learn, build, and share. 1 second that line comes in. Perfect. Thank you so much for this one. Again, some more hyperlinks, navigation menu, attend response button, pretty much. Oops, some alignment and structuring I see over here. Whether in person again with the pizza fund, for sure. It's still on in case you are looking to host an event and you want a pizza fund. Feel free to reach out to us. Perfect. I like the colors in the button. Thank you so much for submitting this. When someone says thank you, means a lot. I would say thank you back to you because you submitted this, and that makes a lot of sense. Of course, at least you tried. Whoa, I didn't see that coming. We have Major League Hacking here. If you all see, good efforts. If that's something you have done it by your own self, 100 out of 100 for sure. It's just that we cannot see it, so it's commented that you could have like showed us this. the actual thing. What if I wouldn't have done went into the inspect mode, or if it's already part of our actual MLH code? I'm not sure. Oh yes, it is. Do not try copy pasting it, please, because I know where that's coming from. Anyways, you tried and you mentioned thank you. That's enough for me as well. That's like full points on participating. Thank you so much for submitting this. Major League Hacking with Center Align. I love this. For more info, check out this, which is MLS.io. Good way of leading people to the website. It's perfect, and everything is centered aligned. Thank you so much for submitting this. The last one, which I see over here, is again with the navbar options, the two buttons, the learn, build, share line, the statement, the button about MLH. Again, a colorful one. Woo! Don't worry, come to my 4C turn event, you will learn. Perfect. That's you, Volcano, Fearless Volcano. Test which block links. This is my Google uploaded to CodePen. Let me try opening this link from there. Okay, here it is. Hacker email, surprise, click me. No, I'm not gonna click this. I'm afraid. I'll be honest, I'm afraid. Though I trust you, but I still am afraid. You didn't get mine also? Well, what? Because this time, no, I'm not gonna click it, Trish. I'm sorry. Oh, I see. Well, if you say so, no. It says Google Photos says it says no. Oh, I see what you did with that. I see where that link is taking us. But I'm not gonna open it here because it's like already announced and there in the public. But anyways, let me know in the chat, everyone, how was this event for you? And for most of you all, this was like their first event, right? So how did it went? Was this something you were super engaging? Was this super engaging for you? Was it fun? Was it exciting? Was it nervous? Was it like making you nervous? How was it? Just describe this event in one word. And you can still tweet about this event, by the way. You can take a screenshot, you can tweet about it, you can use hashtag global hack week, which is running down here. Global hack week, you can tag mlhacks, you can tag hashtag hack with Sid, and you can tag at Siddharth underscore hacks, which is me on Twitter. Yes, it was amazing, had a great time, fun, amazing, really awesome. I'll submit the infinite tab thing for sure. I'll be waiting for that. Fantastic op event, had a lot of fun, great. And how is your hacking going on, by the way? It's just day one. Like technically it's we are still in day one, though we have changed the days from Sunday to Monday, but we are still in day one. So yeah, how is it going so far? Like, are you all enjoying it? Is it something you are doing for the very first time and lots of fun? Yes, I'm so happy that you all could join us and take part in this fun mini event. And that was all about it, right? I'm going to stream 3 more times on the MLH stream this week. So I'm not sure. Let me check with my calendar quickly. I have three more streams coming up. This was the first one. I have a Hackathons 101 stream coming tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. IST. So I'll be talking everything about hackathons, how you can take the most out of it, what are some things you need to keep in mind, answer all your questions in that particular live stream. So if this is your first time participating in a hackathon or Global Hack Week, do join in for that stream because I'm gonna share a lot of insights in that particular stream. How can I join? You'll get a notification or an announcement on Discord, so don't worry about that. But it is at 2:30 p.m. tomorrow, and you can always check out the Global Hack Week calendar or the schedule from the website. So yeah, and then I'll be running a Tetris tournament on Wednesday at 3:30 p.m. IST. So come and have some good and fun time with me playing Tetris online. I would also ask people to join me on the stream, so stay tuned for that. And I'll be running a cup stacking mini event on 29th Saturday at 5:30 p.m. IST. Yes, that's right. What a fun way to start the day. Yes. Chrome Dino was already done by Kev in the early morning today. I am not sure when was that time, but that already happened, I guess. I'm not sure if that's happening again, but if yes, please do join in because it's a fun mini event as well. Had lots of fun, amazing, enjoy watching Stadia. Thank you so much, Palak. I've been excited for this. This is my first time streaming on MLH as a MLH coach. Like I have streamed before with MLH here on the Twitch, but as an MLH coach, this is my first time streaming here. So I was excited as well. How can I join? You can always find me on Twitch whenever we have it scheduled. And I will also be posting an announcement on our Discord. So you can keep an eye over there as well. And you can always check with the schedule. How to hack it? Submit a hacking script on a light submission. Hacking with me. Let's see how that goes. Because if you are smart, I'm smarter. Just kidding. You're the best. I did exactly that. But yes, of course, my hack script didn't actually work. Yes, because as I said, I'm smarter. No, just kidding. Someone could try building an actual one. hmm that's why I wasn't able to click on that. Is there any way to get the whole schedule in IST? Yes, Maharshi, what you can do is just let me quickly share with you something. Do. Like, just give me a minute. I'm gonna help you with how you can add all of those things in your schedule. Uh, and then Google Calendar hack PhD link. Yes, I guess that's correct. But I'm gonna quickly open up that for you. What you can do is, I'm just trying to find the link for you. I had to be here. Try adding to Google Calendar. Yes, that's where I am just going to share the link with everyone. What you can do is, you can add to your calendar directly. Like once you go to this link, this will ask you to add the entire schedule to your calendar, and you'll find all the events, all the mini events, all the live streams, everything, the opening ceremony, the closing ceremony, the the streams done by Mary, the highlight streams or what we call it as today in Global Hack Week, day 3, day 2, day 5, day 6, and so on and so forth. You can always find it everything over here. So once you click on this, it will ask you to add this to your calendar, and you'll be able to keep a track on each and everything in your time, which is IST. For anyone who is not in IST, it will show according to your time in your calendar, in your Google Calendar. So that's how easy it will be. If I need to quickly show it to you, how will that look like? So I'm gonna quickly share my screen. So this is how it will look like in your calendar. So just like this was like No Light mini event, you can see the link of registering. The next link is Solana Foundation workshop, and then there's Twilio workshop, and then we have day 2 starting over here, then Intro to Python workshop, Elastic workshop, and this is all in IST by the way because it's set it up according to my calendar. And you can always find the UTC minus 4 times over here. All right. I hope that helps. I hope that helps you. One great way is to add them to calendar and it sends reminder in IST. That's correct. That's correct, Paulo. How many challenges do we have to complete to receive extra goodies except stickers after Global Hack Week? If I'm not wrong, it's like you can attend 3 live streams or more and you'll get some extra stickers. Where can we find the challenges? So, my friend, you can go to the challenges page, which is gsw.mlis.io/challenges, and you'll find all the challenges over here and all the daily challenges as well. It's a lot easier to check Google Calendar, I know, right? And it's like super easy because it also sends you a reminder 30 minutes before the event actually starts. So even before the ML, it sends an announcement. You get a calendar reminder in your notification. Cool. So, once again, thank you everyone for joining me for this particular mini event. I am super super happy that you all enjoyed this one, and I am I'm like very happy to do my first live stream as an MLH coach over here. For all of those who are joining in for Hack CBS, which is next week or next week, it is 4th or 5th November. So I'll be there coaching at that hackathon. So see you there. I hope to meet you in person if you're gonna join in. In case you aren't, I'm gonna watch you or meet you in upcoming live streams. I'm gonna do 3 more live streams on Global Hack Week this week. So I'll see you in any of those. I'm gonna run a Hackathon 101 talk or session tomorrow at 2:30 p.m. IST on this Twitch itself. So I'll see you there. I'll answer any of your questions around hackathons or hacking, and help you with some giving some tips and suggestions and some insider things. Cool. Perfect. In that case, happy Diwali, everyone who are celebrating. Thank you so much for staying with me so far. And yes, happy hacking, everyone. I'm going to just quickly thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. And I'll take a leave from here and I'll get my lunch. And you all please take some rest as well. It's also important to take some rest while you're hacking. So please be mindful of your health and your energy which you are having at this point. In case you're feeling tired, please take some rest, and that will be something super awesome. But thanks once again everyone for joining in, and happy hacking. And I'll take a leave from here. I'll see you around on Discord. Bye bye.